Well, welcome back, my friends. Thank you, Megatron, to another rousing rendition, an unboxing rendition, if you will, of Choir Boys Cutlery Outdoors. Listen, I don't do these a lot. I don't really like them, but I'm really excited, so that's kind of a lie. You know what I'm saying. Before we get into the video, there was a time in this country where 22 veterans a day took their own lives. That number's decreasing, but anything above zero is too many. So vets, we love you. You have a place here. We're back to Blue over here with Sport Leo. How do you do that, Scab? Well, we don't break the damn law anymore. And finally, if you are an addict, never quit quitting. So here's the deal. It's going to be super fast, which is bullshit because I say that all the time and it never is. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go through a few things that are coming up on the channel. Then I'm going to unbox a package from Jacob Lamb. Send it to me. But real quick, I want to show y'all what we got coming up. Now, the first three that I'm going to show you are from my guy JR. There's just not enough good that I can say about JR. Just an awesome brother in the blade, and he keeps us in business. Now, this first one, and I'm fired up about this. I'm trying to give y'all a better look. I got every damn light in the house on. This is a fall nibbin, and we're going to do it two ways. One, I just want to show you this sheath. Double stitched. See the trademark there, the fall nibbin. Just straight up, look at the thickness there. Badassery, awesome leather. I love a good leather sheath. Now check this out. This is one we got coming up very, very soon. Beautiful blade, and it fits. Man, it just feels really, really good. Awesome looking edge. I know I got all the lights on, so I apologize. That's the first one. The next one from JR is a Bark River. Now, the fall nibbin and the Bark River are going back to JR, but again, Bark River's quality is always there with their sheath. I mean, they do a great job with their leather. I love the leather, American made. And then you got this monstrosity right here that I say that in the best possible way. Beautiful, look at that. Beautiful knife, but I want to show you the handle, which just typical Bark River. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Full tang, red liners. Awesome. This is coming up very, very soon. Now, probably in the next couple days. Now, the third thing, I really like that handle. That's just badass, man. Now, the third, well, look here. Okay. I thought that was sharpened. The third thing that JR sent, now, he dedicated this next piece to the channel, and this will actually probably be one of the next things up. It's the CRKT kanji, the tactical kanji. This thing is just wicked. Now, when I get stuff dedicated to the channel or given to the channel, we decide a couple different ways to go with it. This is going to be a part of my 5,000 giveaway. Okay, I'm going to do a full review on it. The stuff I review, guys, I'll clean up before I send it out. But that's just badass, man. So this will be part of our 5K giveaway. As soon as we hit 5,000, we're going. Now, this next package I opened with the Freddie Smith knife. I don't know what's in here. I really don't. Sometimes I lie, but I'm not this time. I just pre-opened it. I believe we got some cold steel from Jacob Lamb. So, let's get into it. I probably should have taken the packing out. I didn't. This is why I hate unboxings. It's got the peanuts in it, damn it. Alright, so, sweet. First thing up now. What? This is the Recon Hawk. Alright, I'm pretty fired up about this. I'm big into tomahawks. I love them. I show a tomahawk and people are like, well, I got 30 of them. I am Jacob, brother. This is awesome. This is awesome. Alright. Alright, the weight's 24 ounces. The primary edge is 4 1/4. Width is 7 inches from here to here. 5 millimeters thick. Pretty damn thick. 17.5 inches overall. Super, super fired up about this. Now, it's 65 MN carbon steel. The spike is sharp. Full tang construction. Yes, I'm reading off the back. The Recon Hawk was designed by the famous custom knife maker Andrew Demko. It features single piece of super tough carbon steel. It's just badass. Let's just cut to the chase. Super fired up about this. I love the handle. We're going to get into that. Now, thank you, Jacob. Now, next piece. And I'll tell you why I'm excited about this stuff real quick. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. The Chaos Buoy. This is awesome. All right. Now, how the hell? I'm going to use a Smith knife again. Damn, you're cutting yourself. All right, real quick, the specs. Weight is 23.1 ounces. Blade length is 10.5 inches. Again, 5 millimeters thick. Overall length, 16.5. SK5, which is the same as SK85. I love SK5 carbon steel. I really, really do. The handle is 6 inches, and it's 6061 aluminum. Now, standard cold steel sheath. Nylon and Kydex or Secure-X, whatever they happen to call it. Megatron, will you bring me a piece of paper real quick? This thing, that's wicked, man. We will put this through its paces. False wedge. So, here's the deal, guys. Thank you, babe. We'll do an initial sharpness thing real quick. Now remember, guys, I can make a razor blade seem dull. Wickedness. All right, listen. Joe and I are lining up a Blade Talk live for one day next week where we will kick off our Veterans Raffle. This is the most important thing. I say it every time. You do not donate one dime to us. All the money you will donate directly to a charity. I know that's redundant. I don't give a shit. I've already heard people say, oh, why are we sending you money? You're not. For the Veterans Raffle, you will donate directly to the charity. We'll make all the announcements next week. All you'll do is send us a screenshot. Jacob Lamb, my brother, I love you. I'm fired up about this stuff. Guys, we'll see y'all in the next one. I'm Scab. She ain't gonna say it. You're not.